Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is IRC News, and I'm Joey Stephen, an authorized Canadian immigration practitioner, bringing out this Canadian job opportunity for foreign nationals. This video is specifically for immigration clients and Polinsys clients. Today is the 12th of June 2023, and I'm coming to you from the Polinsys studios in Cambridge, Ontario. The Student Herald, a licensed Canadian recruitment firm, has released information for a job requirement for foreign nationals, possibly leading to Canadian permanent residence. This opportunity is for those with work experience in Canadian NOC code 72100, bearing job title Machinists and Machining and Tool Inspectors, coming under category 2 possibly. If you have work experience in this job title, then check out for details of this job posting on your Canadian Authorized Representative's website, myar.me/jobs. Your Canadian Authorized Representatives may also provide you with some guidance on how to apply. This position is from the province of Alberta. Employer-driven programs are one of the fastest ways to reach Canada, leading to Canadian permanent residence. The two popular federal employer-driven programs are the AIP and the RNIP. Most provinces also have their own independent employer-driven programs as well. Targeting employer-driven programs could allow an applicant to land in Canada with a job in hand, providing them with additional security. This federal news video is brought to you by IRC News. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian job opportunities, data analysis, and immigration news. If you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, you can learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which are now posted on your screen, polinsys.com/p. Your Canadian Authorized Representative also conducts a free weekly Q&A session every week on Fridays. For time and Zoom meeting credentials, please visit this website, or which you can see on your screen, myar.me. Please follow guidance from the Canadian government about who can charge fees for Canadian immigration services. The redirect link which you can see on your screen now, polinsys.co/REP, will lead you there. If you want to obtain a free multiple approaches Canadian PR evaluation directly from a Canadian Authorized Representative, then myar.me/evaluationxx can assist you. Also, feel free to visit our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. From all of us at IRC News, and especially from your Polinsys team, we thank you for watching. If you like this news, please like this video. And if you want to receive notifications about more Canadian job positions, then please subscribe to this channel.
But life still goes on. I want some help. Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, can